Hi everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your graduation website invitation step by step so you can update your details, set up RSVPs, and publish your site for guests. I've added chapters in the description of this video so you can easily skip to the exact part or editing section you need. Your website includes built-in navigation links that allow guests to move smoothly through your site. For example, the envelope and the click envelope to open text on page 1 are linked to the invitation page. On the invitation page, the details and RSVP sections are linked to their corresponding pages, so guests can click and navigate easily. You'll also see Go Back text on several pages. These links bring guests back to the invitation page, so navigation stays simple and easy. Editing page links. Select the text or envelope. Click on Link, clear the text, and scroll down. You will find pages in this document. So from here, you can just choose the page. If the link option isn't visible, you may need to ungroup it first, then add or edit the link and regroup once done. If you edit or duplicate any elements, it's important to double-check these links before publishing your website. Some sections of this template are grouped to help keep everything aligned while you edit. We recommend keeping groups intact while editing, unless you're adjusting the layout, spacing, or swapping sections. To ungroup, right-click and choose Ungroup. Make your change and regroup by selecting all the elements you want to group. Right-click and choose Group. Check how your design looks on both desktop and mobile as you go. This helps you catch spacing or alignment issues before they become a problem. Make sure the Resize to Mobile option is switched on so everything displays neatly on smaller screens. Lock elements if it is cutting off on mobile. Sometimes your design looks great on a desktop but shifts slightly on mobile. If something moves out of place, use the lock feature to keep it steady across all views. You can always unlock it later if you need to make changes. But locking helps keep everything aligned while you work. Don't forget to switch on Resize for Mobile when previewing your design to make sure everything looks great on smaller screens. To unlock, select the element, click on the lock icon twice. To lock, select the element or text and click Lock. Add in your photo. First, upload your image. Start by clicking on Uploads in the left menu. Then click Upload Files and select the image you want to use. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto the design and adjust it so it fits properly in the frame. Editing the text. Now, let's edit the text. I'll start by updating the graduate's name, but the same process applies to all text on the website. Select the text and look at the white menu bar at the top of your screen. From there, you can change the font color and size, change the animation, click Animation, and choose the one you like. Editing links. Select the text. You have to click twice to select if it is in a group. Click on the edit link and paste your URL. To update the map, open Google Maps. Search for your venue. Click Share and copy the link, then return to Canva. Select the map section and replace the existing link with your venue's link. Customize RSVP form. Now let's customize the RSVP form. Select the RSVP form and click Edit. You can choose which questions are required, edit questions and answers, add new options, and you can add new questions at the bottom. You can duplicate or delete options as well as for the questions. and resize the form to fit the layout. Before publishing, preview your wedding website invitation on both desktop and mobile. Most guests will view it on their phone, so make sure everything is easy to read and properly aligned. How to publish your design and get a shareable link. When you're ready, click the Publish Website button. Choose your site address URL and click Publish. Let's view the website. In the Publish settings, you can add password protection, enable search engine visibility, add the social media preview, and change the website title. After making changes, click Publish Changes to save everything. When you send your graduation website link via text or WhatsApp, it will generate a preview image and a line of text. If you want to change the image, upload your own image. Finding your website link. Once your website is published, Canva will generate your unique link. This is the link you will share with your guests. Click Share, select Website, or view the website. Right-click and copy your URL link. Paste your link into your notes, so it's always easy to find. If you need to change the domain, you can update it in your profile settings by clicking on your profile picture and clicking on Settings. Choose Web Domains, click on View and click on Edit. Keep in mind that domain changes may take some time to fully update. I'll submit a test RSVP response now so you can see how guest responses appear. To view responses, select the RSVP form and click on Responses. You can view all submissions by clicking View Responses. Link responses to a sheet and rename the sheet for better organization. You can delete any section you don't need. Duplicate sections. Add a section. You can adjust the size of each section anytime. Thanks for watching and happy planning.